To clean the charging port on Realme Note 60, first let's power off our device. And you can do it by just swiping down your finger from top of the screen, swipe it down again and click on these three dots to power off your device. And that is the safety measure in case we do anything wrong with our USB-C port. So our phone is powered off and nothing bad should happen. But keep in mind that what I'm about to do, you can do as well, but on your own risk. So what I'm gonna do actually is I have this SIM ejection tool, and I'm gonna stick that SIM ejection tool into my USB-C port and try to remove any dust. And let me actually adjust the focus as well so you can actually see something. Okay, so now we can grab our SIM ejection tool and try to clean our port. And as you can see, I just removed some of the small hairs that was residing inside of my USB-C port, and that's how you can clean it as well.